Now who be the man who Peter Odili? Now who be the man again? Peter Odili. As you carry river state to turn and to go, we come to follow Wike to the next level.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to give a speech, may I respectfully invite the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, CON, GSSRS, Life Venture.
Your Excellency, my dear wife, our special guest of honor, our dear father, Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, Commander of the Federal Republic, Emir of Kano, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency, our dear leader, Dr. Peter Odili, and her mother, your dear wife, my Lord, Presiding Justice of Court of Appeal, the Right Honorable, the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, the former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, the gubernatorial candidate and his deputy that are here, Chairman, River State Traditional Rulers Council, and members of your council, distinguished senators, particularly Senator John Azutambata, Senator Peppo that are here, party chairman, our dear leaders, the MD of Julius Berger and your team, members of State Executive Council, our dear beautiful women, our dear youths, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank our special guest of honor for honoring our invitation, even though at a short notice. I remember when I went to Kano, some few months ago, our Royal Highness received me and my team in his palace very, very well. I want to use this opportunity to thank you again for the warm reception which you gave to us when we came and visited you in your palace. Today is not a speech-making day, but it's a day to thank God Almighty for making today a reality. A reality in the sense that, please, the president of NMA, please forgive me. A reality in the sense that when the president of the NMA spoke, he talked about abandonment of projects. He talked about non-completion of projects. And so we must thank God that 14 months ago, we were here on this soil. The Honorable Minister of Health came and laid the foundation of this hospital. Somebody before had named the Caribbean White Hospital, 1,000-bed hospital. As I speak to you, no block has been laid. So, Your Excellency, I congratulate you that we said it will be Dr. Peter Odili, Cancer, Cardiovascular, Diagnostic Treatment Center. And it has come to reality. It has come to reality. some of you may not understand. It is not an ordinary company that was given this responsibility. It is Julius Berger, in case most of you may have forgotten. Maybe the MD came here just to see us. If I tell you the amount of money that was charged, and as I speak to you, we are not owing a dime in this project. Everything that has to do with the funding, even retention, we have paid. Let me thank Julius Berger for being committed, agreed to partner with us. I'm sure all of us who are from River State and living in River State, by the time you have the opportunity to go in here, you will say that anybody coming as governor of the state must not go below Julius Berger's standard. Yes, they may be expensive, but we deserve the best. The people of the state will deserve the best. So whatever we can do for our people, it doesn't matter how much you spend. Rivers people deserve it. I can assure you, just like our father advised, there is no lobby as far as this facility is concerned. The Consul General of American Embassy had agreed to partner with us. As I speak to you, they have made contact with those who run hospitals very well overseas to come and partner with us in this. So it is not what I will leave for Ministry of Health, no. Please, this type of facility is not leave it for Commissioner of Health and his staff in the ministry, no. It will not work that way. Because it will be painful if we come back here in the next 5 years and then you find out it is no longer what it is. That is why when you go to government house clinic, you can see the standard. You can compare government house clinic with any other clinic outside because of those we have brought there to manage it and not to leave it. I'm sorry, don't be offended to our civil servant. You are good, but you're not in all cases. You are good to carry files, but you're not good to maintain. And that has also been a problem for us in Nigeria. Beautiful things, even in the houses we build, to maintain it is a problem. Their own personal house, to keep it clean is a problem. Not to talk about public property. All you will do, what do you concern me? I beg, live and I beg. That is the kind of mindset we have. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that when people talk about this, look at what the NMA president said. People say, why should he be Dr. Peter Odili? And I said, okay, tell me who he should be. If you give me a better reason why he should not, I will remove his name. This is a man who has run one of the best clinics in this state as a medical doctor. This is a man who has served this state as a governor for 8 years. This is a man who have refused to join his colleagues in Abuja to form association of former governors so that they can be relevant in running around a presidential candidate. But has devoted himself of medical education, still serving the people, seeing how we can train more doctors and other health officers who then is more qualified for this facility to be named after. There are those, when they leave office, they don't bother about service again. That is why we are where we are. People became governor for 8 years. People became senators for 16 years. Nobody cares home again. All they do is to live in Abuja and form association of former senators, association of former councillors, association of former chief of staff, all kinds of things. And then begin to hang around presidential candidates. Instead of them to make the presidential candidate to win election, they begin to deceive them. He refused to be party to that. I go to his house, they say he's in the school. Doing what? Overseeing the welfare of students who are scholarship from River State to have medical education. So I'm very proud. I owe nobody any apologies at all. I owe nobody any apologies for renaming the facility after you. If you are not happy, try and be a governor and name anywhere you want to name. If you can bring Julius Berger to build, then I know that you have tried. Julius Berger, we have continued to partner with each other. Wednesday and Thursday, we commission the 8th and 9th flyover. Wednesday and Thursday, the Ikoku, Olu, Oroworuko, where some of you call Ikoku before, and then the one I took to my village, because if I finish all these things, they will say, which one did you bring home? Because you cannot only be good away, you must also be good at home. That's why I tell some people, wherever you are, make sure you bring something home. When you're a minister, when you go back, tell your people, I am back. I brought this, I brought that. If you don't tell them, anything you see, you take. When I was a minister, I brought Faculty of Law to the University of Port Harcourt. When I was a minister, I brought Oil and Gas Polytechnic in Bonny. When I was a minister, I did a lot of primary and secondary schools here. When I was a minister, I gave financial grants to Kenule Polytechnic and Ignatius Ajuri University. So, you cannot hold me. I didn't make any promise I did not fulfill. Unlike those who say, we'll do from here to here, we'll bring University of Transportation here, this one here, and now the time is over. Now time is over. There's nothing to bring again. So, this is our own report card. Promise made and promise fulfilled. We are proud. So those who are saying that, why am I not inviting them to commission projects? You invite me to commission in your own place. So I have a choice to invite whoever I want to come and commission a project.
A biggie man, 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 a biggie man. He don't get for size, oh, biggie man, a biggie man, biggie man, a biggie man.
On Wednesday, Adams Oshomole will come and commission. On Thursday, Peter Obi will come and commission.
As he dey bend them, he dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pepper them.
On Friday, President Buhari will commission the Nigerian Law School.
Nobody gets it like we get. Nobody gets it like we get.
On Monday, Kwakwanso will come and commission.
Yes, we can pepper them. I say pepper them. Yes, we can pepper them.
So, I choose those I want them to come. So if you want to have high blood pressure, it's your business. Let me plead with our people, because there will be no opportunity for everybody to enter this facility because of the type of equipment that are there. I want to appeal to you. Please, you don't need to come and struggle to enter, don't. It's only the VIPs here that will be allowed to enter there. No security, no police. Don't carry our gun and begin to shift people. Nobody will kill us there. Because we want them to go and see what is there. If we allow everybody here, it will be very, very dangerous for us. So we don't want to allow that. The hospital is not like a restaurant. So we have to be very careful. And so I've taken the responsibility myself to be at the gate there. To be at the gate so that we'll be able to reduce the number of people coming in. One day we'll open up the place for members of the public to come and sit for themselves. But obviously, I'm very, very proud for what our team have done. The Commissioner for Health, I congratulate you and the Minister of Health for supervising this project to fruition. And I can assure the people of Rivers State, I've said it before, and I'll continue to say it, we will not abandon any project till we leave. We'll continue to work till 29th of May, 2023. That is the promise I have made to all of you. And I want to commend the community for not making problems for Julius Berger, because if you have made problems with them, they would abandon the site and we would have lost. And you see, there's nothing too difficult to achieve in this country. Well, if we want to achieve it, we will achieve it. This is just within 1 year. The money was paid. It's not where National Assembly budget for a project like this of almost 26 billion. They will put for 1 year 500 million. A project that will cost 26 million. You are putting for budget for 500 million. Then it will not take you more than 20 years. And then the cost from 26 billion will be 100 or something billion. That is why you see in this country abandonment of projects. So if we are really serious in this country to say that we'll get the best, I can tell you it is not impossible. It is not impossible. By the time you come to law school on Friday, you can see that if we want to do anything, we can do it and we can achieve it. Within 10 months, we told the Council of Legal Education that we are going to bring them back within 10 months to come and commission a brand new law school. I'm happy that our politicians, for the first time, when you go there, the job was done by politicians. You know, they normally deny nothing. Everything there was done by them. But I can commend them. They did very, very well. So if you have time, come on Friday and see the law school. Better than the one my Lord, the wife of our leader, attended. better than the one OCJM attended, better than the one the presiding justice attended, not to talk about my own. So if the one they attended is better, then you know our own was never in existence.